All right, this is the Firestick 4K TV setup right here. I'm gonna assemble all of these for you. All right, this is by Amazon. All right, so if you can go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave a comment at the bottom of the page, and also subscribe to my channel, that'll be great. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with assembling this for you. So this is the setup that comes with the 4K TV by Amazon, the Firestick, all right? So we're gonna start off with the remote control, okay? So this is the remote control right here, right? I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna open it up, flip it on the back right here, and then I'm gonna put the batteries in here. And if you look in here, the batteries are, it shows a diagram, I'm getting close so you can see a little bit, a diagram of how the batteries are supposed to be lined up with inside of this. And so I'm gonna follow the diagram by putting the batteries in like this, okay? All right, put the batteries in like that. And once I have the batteries in the remote control, I'm just gonna take the back cover and slide it back into place like that, okay? The remote control is now assembled. Next, we're gonna move on to the Fire Stick. Now, this is the actual Fire Stick that you need to plug into your TV. Now, some televisions, you're able to just take the plug and slide it in there and have it work that way. But sometimes the HDMI port is kind of awkwardly mounted on the television, which is not good for putting the stick, which is kind of long, into the port correctly. So it comes with this extension right here. Now this extension, all it is basically what I just said it is. It's an extension. It has the HDMI cable right here. This is the male side, and then this is the female side of the HDMI cable, extension cable. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to plug this in the male part of the stick into the female part of the extension, just like that. And when I do this, you can actually plug the HDMI cable into some awkward space because it gives you a little bit of flexibility. All right, so I've assembled this. Next, we have to assemble the power that goes to the Fire Stick. All right, so I'm gonna place this down right here and I'm gonna pick up the adapter. Do you see this adapter? This is a USB adapter. Okay, you plug this into your wall, right? Your wall socket. And then you're gonna take this cable right here. This cable is the extension USB cable. And so I'm gonna take this larger side of the USB cable and I'm going to plug it into the charger, okay? So I'm gonna plug it into the charger and then I'll plug this part into the wall, okay? This is gonna go to the wall, but first, before you plug it into the wall, you're gonna take this other end and you're gonna plug this into the Fire Stick onto the side, right here where it says power. If you can read right there, it says power. I'm gonna plug this into that like this. Boom. All right, so now that that's plugged in, I can plug this into the television and then I will plug this into a power source on the wall, okay? Just like that, and then you're able to go on to the setup. And I'll leave, I'll leave some instructions for the setup in the description part of the page. Don't forget to check that out. And also leave a comment, ask a question, and don't forget to give me a like, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.